Alrighty then, welcome back and thanks for checking in. Dealing with waste. It's always a job where you cut something down like this conifer and the waste is going to be way more than you estimate. So when you're doing jobs like this, allow a lot more waste than you think. I'll show you how much comes out of this now. Thanks for checking in. Right, well there we are, and I'm not even down to the bottom of the stumps yet, and it's turned into a mountain of waste. So yeah, don't underestimate your waste is the key to some of these jobs, I think, isn't it? Anyway, you take care.